As we go into March, good morning, guys. I'm just inspired to say, have something that othembele kuyo. Whether you call it the universe, whether you call it God, whether it's your guides, Kibadimo, noma ngaba uyibizani leyo nto, have something othembele kuyo. Ivunguvungu zempilo. The impilo is so unpredictable. Life is just so fragile. Impilo ishinja like in a split second. People are here today and the next moment umuntu akasekho. Today you healthy, right? The next moment you find out that actually you have maybe a terminal illness, or things just change. And isikhathi esiphila kuso, unfortunately, we don't have the capacity. Not that maybe we don't want, but we sometimes just don't have the capacity to be kind, to show up for one another. Very blessed if you still have that as a person. Abantu would sometimes really, it's not that they don't want to, but abantu abana capacity. Another thing, people are so bitter, people are angry, people are short-tempered, abantu banama short fuse because people are overwhelmed. There is just a lot, and the world has just become so unkind. There are abantu that are kind, there are people that really still have a divinity reigning and ruling over impilo zabo. There are still people abasasenonembeza, but kuhamba kuya kuyancipha. Every day kuhamba kuya kuyancipha. It's so important to show love to yourself, to the people around you, to the people in your life, to check on people around you, to be grateful and to be thankful to God, to the Creator, to the universe, to whoever and whatever it is that you believe in, for your protection, for life. Just breath is very, very important, and it's important to have something othembele kuyo. It is so important to have something obambelele kuyo. And with that, let's just go into this new month. See, very mindful and intentional ngokucela i-protection, ngokucela umusa ukuthi ubonakale empilweni zethu. Have a great day.